Hello and welcome back to another video of the TI4 browser app series. Today's video is just going to be a reminder video. So I know we already have reminded people on the Discord, and we have an older video up, but just for those who maybe don't check the Discord as frequently, as you can see here in the bottom banner, the app is scheduled to go down in roughly 2 days time from this video on November 1st at 11:59 p.m. GMT. So at which point all user accounts and game data is going to be wiped, because we're going to be doing basically app maintenance. And so I just wanted to give a little preview here of some of the things that are going to be happening. So the main reasons for the shutdown are for having to move our database, and along with this, we're going to be getting a new web page URL. And so, when that happens, we'll have a video of it, and as well as posting to the Discord. And as previously mentioned, all accounts are going to be removed, so that means that we're going to have to re-register and add any friends and such. And if you haven't already noticed, there is a remove friends functionality now, so once you add someone, you're not stuck with them forever. So do with that as you will. Some other notes. Something that's already currently implemented but really won't take effect till after the server restart is that there's going to be time to live on active games and lobbies. So what I mean by this is, if you're playing a game and the game has basically become stale and no one is making any moves for whatever reason, there's basically going to be a 2-week time limit where your game will eventually, if no one has made any action within a 2-week span, the game will automatically become deleted. And we're working on implementing notifications for this. Lobbies will be automatically deleted after 1 week of not being started from their inception. We already have the remove friends functionality covered. With the new server restart, you're going to be able to see that you can name your games now. So that way, when you do get notifications, you'll be able to, it'll actually show you the name of the game you're getting a notification for, which can help a lot if you're naming your games in a reasonably intelligent way. So those are some of the, like non-game related features. As for, well, let's see if I covered all that. Oh yeah, we're going to also have email verification for account setup, and as well as being able to have a way to retrieve your credentials, such as username and password reset, without actually having to be logged into the app, which would be nice. So those are like the non-game related things that'll be going into this server reset. Some of the things you can look forward to seeing for actual game mechanics. One of the big ones has to do with the construction strategy card. And this is going to solve a key bug and also add in some core functionality that should be implemented with the game, which is that for now, or rather not for now, but when we reboot the app, construction is going to act as it should, meaning that, let's say you have all 6 PDSs on the board. Right now, the app won't let you relocate PDSs when using construction, primary, secondary. But when you actually are going to use it after the reboot, you're going to see that you're able to actually choose which planet you want to take a PDS from and then place it. And the same thing with space docks and floating factories. So that's nice. Implementation update there. There's also a visual update which has been mentioned to us. During a space combat, the invading units show up at the top, and if you're in a game that's bigger than 3 players, the dreadnought counter is covered by the top system tile. So we've fixed that visible issue, so now you can actually see that counter number. There's a bug currently with Unstable Planet in very specific circumstances that we've fixed for the release. That came from our Discord, so thanks for that. We've updated the Embers of Muat. Magmus Reactor is now going to be using the Omega version of the tech. Another not bug but issue that was reported to us in the Discord was that if 2 players play the same action card name, like for example, if you're in a space combat, player A and B are in a space combat and they both play morale boost, player C wants to sabotage, he doesn't know which one belongs to which player. So what we've done is we've added the faction name beside the card in the selector there, and then that'll also show up in the game log, so that'll be nice. There was also a little bug with the Arborex flagship where it was taking into account Sarwing tools just to tell you if you were overspending or not. So we fixed that. The actual spending wasn't affected, it was just the prompt was incorrectly telling you if you were overspending or not, so we fixed that as well. We're also planning on adding a visible tool to check to easily check how many command tokens you have left in your reinforcements as well as units. And we're going to be fixing 1 or 2 bugs related to the system undo activation with things related to support for the throne, and I think ERES siphons for the Universities of Jolnar as well. So those are the main points, and there might be a couple other things, but I will keep you guys updated. And when the app does go live, I'll probably make some videos of these things in action so you can see, especially things such as construction strategy card, how that works now, maybe the Omega Magmus reactor, yeah, things like that. So yeah, if you didn't already know, server shutdown happening a couple of days, so if you got any active games, now's your chance to finish them. Otherwise, well, you're gonna have to wait 1 to 2 weeks. But yeah, I think this is probably where I'm gonna end the video here. Just a quick, I guess, thanks to everybody who has been playtesting and giving really good feedback. We've come a long way since we first went live with the playtesting, and if you compare the way the app looked months ago to what it is now, it's huge strides we've taken from all the feedback we've gotten, recommendation, bug fixes. It's really been great. Okay, so enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.